Hey guys, customers looking to replace furnace only. Had another company condemn the heat exchanger, from what I gathered. So we got a 33-inch tall furnace, 17.5 wide, wants to do furnace only. So we got 4-inch flue going into there. Gas shutoff is already there. Switch is there, so we'll can reuse if can, otherwise then put in BX. We'll probably end up, filter doesn't fit right in there, so we'll put in a new media cabinet. No walkouts, so you have to go up the steps here. Humidifiers here. Floor drain is there.